We cannot upload movie on YouTube directly, but we can make a channel like this. He upload only 56 videos and he has over 600,000 subscribers. So what is he doing? Let's see his latest video. He just uploading movie clips as a short form videos with no face, no voiceover. It's just simple video editing tricks. It helped him to get 180 million views, 22 million views, 70 million views and millions of views. First of all, let's see his earning. Almost $1 million he earned based off ad revenue every single month. In today's video, we will create a similar video to get millions of views like him. So first, we need a movie. Download your favorite movie from internet and save into your phone. In my case, I already downloaded Stranger Things. The next step is video editing, which is the important part to make a movie short video like him. Because your editing is not good, maybe your video not getting views. So keep watching the whole tutorial. Open any video editor. I'm using CapCut. You can use VN, InShot or Light Motion. Now add your movie here. Keep in mind to remove the original sound. And then just change the movie ratio to portrait. Next, cut coolest parts from the movie. Now add some transition, click this icon and select black fade and click apply to all to apply this transition to all clips. Now it's time to save our video. Click 720p in the top right corner and increase the frame rate to 30 and click upload. Then new project, select your movie clip and click effects and select video effect. Find comic and now scroll down and then select BNW sketch and OK. Now apply to full video. Then go to effects and find basic. If you cannot find basic, just search blur. Select blur and OK. Apply to full video. Now export the video. After the export is done, click back button. Now select BNW sketch effect and click replace effect. In the comic section, select neon and OK. Now save the video. Then back to the timeline and delete the two effects. Now click add overlay and select the first video. Adjust the size and then click blend. Select burn. Adjust to 50 and OK. Click add overlay and select the second video. Adjust the size and click blend option and find dodge 50%, then OK. Now move on the final step. Select the original movie clip, then find adjust. Brightness 20, contrast 20, saturation 6, expose 12, sharpness 100%. For HSL, follow my step. And finally add background music. I use his video sound. Now let's see our video. We finish our project, so upload to YouTube and good luck.